Hello, Catrium International. This is the first of my video tutorials, which I imagine I'll be publishing quite regularly from now on the blog. I hope it's useful. What we're going to do this week is to finish off the chapter we started last week, Conquest and Colonial Society. You remember the chapter where we began with this cover of a textbook showing Marianne, the personification of France, coming to the colonies, bringing progress, civilization and commerce with her. We've already gone through the vocabulary. We've already talked about the different colonial empires that formed in the world during the 16th, 17th, 18th and 19th centuries. We've already done the work on why colonies happened, economic reasons, the idea of superiority, the concept that Europeans believed it was their duty to educate other people in the world who they saw as uneducated. And we've done a little bit of work on the British Empire. If I just click on to the next document that I've already sent you, what we're going to focus on, or what I want you to look at, are the exercises I've sent you regarding the Belgian Congo. It's pretty terrible what happened there, the way people were treated. And also the last page of the document, which is about racism and colonialism. And a lot, I'm sorry to say, of people at this time, even so-called scientists, really did believe that there were inequalities between different humans. And there is an engraving that you've got at the very end of the chapter showing, this is from the early to mid 19th century, the link that people believed existed depending on people's colour. Obviously we don't think this anymore. It shows you how times have changed, and it helps you understand why colonialism happened when you study these documents. So what I want you to do is to work through each of these questions on the two worksheets. The first one is about the Belgian Congo. It's fairly straightforward questions. The second one is about racism and colonialism, and they're fairly straightforward apart from the last two. Okay, draw your attention to this. Explain what Darwin's phrase, the survival of the fittest, meant. Explain means you must give reasons. And the last one asks you to describe the engraving. It's the engraving I just showed you on the previous document. And you have to explain what you think is the message of this engraving. What is it trying to say? Okay, these are what we call command words. What do you think? Explain, describe, and so on. And for now, that's it. Don't forget, when you're finished, you can either take a photo of your work and send it to my email as a JPEG, or you could just email it to me as a Word document, or you could transfer it to me on the UNT space. You've got lots of possibilities. Don't forget to check the blog, and remember, you've all got, or you should have, access to Britannia Encyclopedia. If you haven't, email me and I can give you the access codes, because there's plenty of information there which is fascinating, very interesting, and will help you in the lessons to come. Okay, so good luck, Catrium, and I'll meet up with you again soon.